Well, all the twigs are ready. Do you like the result? But now we need to pack our beautiful bouquet beautifully. Let's make a bouquet cone using regular drawing paper. Cutting out a 30 by 30 centimeters square, which is 12 by 12 inches. And start from the edge to twist it in the shape of a horn shears. We fix the tip you can on hot glue. You can on double-sided tape. Now the top of the cone needs to be made even just. Cut it with scissors. All horn ready. I still want to say a little something. You can replace regular thick paper. It can be replaced, for example, with scrapbooking paper. She happens to be different bright colors, but it is better to buy it in stores for creativity. With it's very easy to make our cone. If you prefer bright colors, then you can use regular format cardboard. And 3, look how bright it is, glossy colors. Well, I continue to decorate the cone, doing for holes using a hole puncher. Next, I do 2 pins. I put satin ribbon into these holes and tie them up but free. Of course, you need to measure the necessary height first. Bows we will make separately and glue on top. Watch carefully how I make a bow. This little trick helps to make bows very beautiful, lush, and neat. Making 2 bows and gluing them on top on a snap. Now, I'm using some tissue paper for the flowers. I will need 4 sheets. Take 1 sheet. And like that's it's a long crumple the paper, but please be very careful. The paper is straight, fragile, and rips easily. Then I insert it in the horse and stick it on the glue. Wow, it turned out very beautiful, and you too. I collected a bouquet in my hand, arranged all the flowers as needed, wrapped in silence, and now a piece of tape tie a bouquet. Taking 2 more sheets. Everything more. I will not do anything with the bouquet. In my opinion, it turned out just amazing. Bouquet in the cone. In no way fix it with any glue. Bouquet is ready. You can admire the result. Such beauty turned out. Make sure to share how yours turned out. And don't forget to leave a like and a comment. I absolutely love reading your feedback.